American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. Again, 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. We're going to do a startup video on our 2007 International 4300 26-foot box truck with 290,000 miles on an automatic Allison transmission. It does have the DT466 Navstar motor, most reliable motor made by them. Runs and drives excellent. It is fleet maintained and does have air brakes. It does have air brakes. Liftgate as well. We offer financing and shipping and export on this vehicle. You can give us a call at 954-639-1468. 954-639-1468. Let's go ahead and do a startup. It's got the single air ride seat with a 2-seat bench. So again, air brakes, automatic transmission, AC, radio. Again, we offer financing, shipping, and export on this vehicle. 954-639-1468. It's a 2007 International DT466 on a 4300 chassis, 26-foot box truck with hydraulic liftgate. Fleet maintained. Ice cold AC. Again, it has air brakes, highly desired air brakes. You can give us a call at 954-639-1468. You call or text. We offer financing, shipping, and export. Give us a call. Excellent unit, ready to go, fleet maintained, was driven down 700 miles, ready to go to work. Again, the truck is located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021 for viewing Monday through Friday. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.